Ooh. We got the balloon flower right here. It's actually been going for like a week or two, but this is still beautiful. What's going on, guys? I Like Your Blooms here. This right here is the balloon flower. It has these nice purple flowers coming up out of it, and these are the seed pods that they've left over for us. I'm gonna show you how to just snip this off, dry it out, and collect your own seeds. Basically, this part right here, just gonna snip that off. Take this down to where the last, seed pod is. And if you stop this process before the plant actually creates seeds, you're going to encourage the plant to send up more blooms. Now that's what did happen with this plant, is it bloomed the initial first time, and then I snipped it back, all the blooms, and it rebloomed, and it rebloomed thicker. This is what we want right here, these guys. So what you're going to want to do with these guys, you're going to want to get a paper bag of some sort, put these in the paper bag, you're going to seal it and put it in a dry, cool location for probably 2 to 3 weeks or longer, depending on your location. And what's going to happen is they're going to dry out and they're going to look like this. Here's the old flower, and I cut it perfectly because the seeds develop nice. But what you'll do is once these dry, you literally just cut the top off, and then it's going to open up these little cavities where the seeds are kept. And if you actually look, those right there are all of our homegrown, you don't have to buy none next year, balloon flowers. Now you don't want to do this when they're still too wet. It will not work as you want it to. So literally just give it a little snip, that's it. Still some seeds in this guy. Beat it on the bag. Now literally, the process takes only a couple minutes to literally cut these guys, go put them somewhere to dry. There's all sorts of weird little beetle things coming out of them. But these right here are all of your seeds, and this is enough seed to last you a few years, probably a lot. This is a couple thousand, a couple hundred plants for sure, maybe even 1,000, and that was just off of a couple heads. Now I'm gonna take the new ones again, put those back in there, we'll fold it up. I'm gonna take these, label them, put them in a bag, keep them in a dry space where I keep the seeds at. And this is just a nice little thing. Seed collecting is very important. The bees, the world's not looking so good, so the best thing we can do is help it in any way possible, which is growing plants. Yeah, so this is the balloon flower, how to get the seeds. Thanks for watching I Like Your Blooms, and you guys have a great day.